St. Anton am Arlberg, Austria. This adorable ski resort will make you fall in love. In this historic town, alpine skiing was born. Since then, St. Anton has grown into a cosmopolitan village and a destination for skiers from all over the world. Enjoy the pedestrian zone after or before a long day of skiing. Ischgl, Austria. Ischgl is one of Europe's top ski resorts, attracting visitors from all over the world each year. This ski resort, in collaboration with Samnon, offers Silvreta Arena Ischgl Samnon, one of Austria's most picturesque ski regions. You might run into Rihanna or Katy Perry if you're lucky. The city holds a number of significant events as well as concerts by well-known artists. Ischgl is a fantasy ski resort with hundreds of kilometers of trails, excellent hotels, and well-developed infrastructure. Tarvisio, Italy. This worldwide winter sports destination is located in northern Italy, near the Austrian-Italian border, and is considered one of the most beautiful mountain villages in the world. Tarvisio is distinct due to its triple identity, which is influenced by its Austrian and Slovenian border neighbors. The authenticity of this ski resort, which was one of the most famous favorite ski resorts in the 1930s, will enchant you. Saalbach-Hinterglemm, Austria. The ski resort of Saalbach-Hinterglemm is a dream come true. This ski resort, which is voted among the best in Europe every year, is ideal for sports enthusiasts, families, beginners, and advanced skiers in both summer and winter. Saalbach-Hinterglemm is one of Austria's most well-known resorts, as well as one of the largest ski resorts in the country, with about 200 kilometers of slopes. Elma, Austria. It's really cute to see a weak Christmas tree in the middle of a snowy field. This isn't a photo postcard, it's the actual thing. Elma's entire village is real. It is situated in Austria, at the base of the Ski Welt Wilder Kaiser ski resort, one of Europe's best. Wengen, Switzerland. Wengen is a lovely Swiss mountain town. Wengen is also the starting point for exploring the entire Jungfrau region, which is rich in ski slopes. Beautiful walks in Wengen and its surrounds, as well as sled rides with your family, are available. It's time to reserve your stay in Wengen at the lowest possible price. Spas, lodges, elegant hotels, or cozy apartments and chalets await you in one of the most picturesque mountain communities for a unique vacation. Garmisch-Partenkirchen, Germany. Garmisch-Partenkirchen is one of Germany's top ski resorts, in addition to being a very beautiful municipality. You can take a stroll through the historic center of this mountain community, go shopping, or explore its many trails, which include the famous Kundar Olympic descent. This family-friendly ski resort is ideal for both experienced and novice skiers. Furthermore, it provides excellent rates. Zermatt, Switzerland. Zermatt is a world-renowned ski resort noted not just for the quality and scope of its ski area, but also for the beauty of its historic center. It's excellent for unwinding after a day on the slopes. Due to strict urban planning laws and a pedestrian historic center, the city has maintained its authenticity. Nonetheless, buses and public transportation make it accessible. Megève, France. Megève is unquestionably among the top 10 most well-known ski resorts in the world. Its first and foremost notoriety stems from its story. A century ago, the Rothschild family chose to establish its own holiday resort in this modest mountain community. Since then, the world's most famous people, including crowned heads, movie stars, and singers, have spent their winter vacations at the stylish and welcoming Megève ski resort. For gourmets, we recommend the Alpega Hotel. Relax at their Michelin-starred restaurant or take a Scandinavian bath. You can even hire a personal chef to come to your home. Kitzbühel, Austria. If you're familiar with Kitzbühel, you're surely aware that the town's symbol is a cute little mountain goat. A symbol that can be found all over the place. Kitzbühel means mountain goat hill, therefore the symbol is no coincidence. Kitzbühel is not just one of Europe's most beautiful ski resorts, but it's also one of the best, hosting major sporting events such as the Alpine Ski World Cup. Come enjoy the long run and treat yourself to a guaranteed low-cost stay in one of Europe's most beautiful ski resorts. Mürren, Switzerland. Mürren is a genuine alpine hamlet in the Swiss Alps. This small community of 450 people gives a stunning view of the region's three most famous peaks, the Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau. Only 2,000 beds are available in this lovely mountain community, so act quickly and reserve your stay in one of Europe's most stunning ski resorts. We especially recommend the Eiger Swiss Quality Hotel, which has been managed by the same family since 1886 and boasts a fantastic modern spa that combines innovation and history. Discover all of the Mürren lodging options and treat yourself to a fantastic vacation in one of Europe's most picturesque ski communities. Saint-Jean-d'Arves, France. If you're searching for authenticity, friendliness, and access to one of the largest ski resorts in the world, Saint-Jean-d'Arves is the place to go. The allure of this mountain community and its privileged access to over 135 trails for all levels, from beginners to pros, will entice you. Saint-Jean-d'Arves is also a family-friendly ski resort offering a variety of activities for children, as well as playgrounds and childcare. Treat yourself to a paragliding baptism or a dog sled ride, and reserve your stay in Saint-Jean-d'Arves, one of Europe's greatest ski resorts, for the best price guaranteed.